Hey everyone, welcome back to Lux Life. Today we will talking about top 3 most luxurious motorhomes in the world. Number 1, the 2026 Mercedes RV. This is no ordinary motorhome. It's a luxury-packed, high-tech machine that's completely changing how people see life on the road. Whether you're a traveler at heart or someone who loves next-generation vehicles, this RV shows us what the future of mobile living really looks like. Mercedes has taken a bold new approach with this model. The 2026 RV features a sleek, aerodynamic body that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Metallic accents, sculpted sides with LED light strips, and a futuristic glowing grille with the Mercedes emblem make it stand out anywhere it goes. The panoramic windshield wraps around like a cockpit, giving it a futuristic look while improving visibility. On top, the roof integrates solar panels, adding an eco-friendly touch that powers auxiliary systems without using fuel. Step inside and it feels like walking into a luxury suite on wheels. The cabin is filled with smart technology and premium finishes, walnut wood trim, ambient mood lighting, and high-quality leather seating. Everything inside is designed to feel both modern and comfortable. The driver's cockpit is straight out of a spaceship, featuring futuristic displays, voice-activated controls, and an AI-powered navigation system that makes trip planning effortless. The living area offers everything you'd expect in a high-end apartment: a full kitchen with induction cooktops, a retractable dining table, and even a compact dishwasher. The bedroom transforms with the push of a button, while the bathroom comes with a rainfall shower and water recycling technology for eco-friendly comfort. This RV isn't just for road trips. It's built for long-term, luxurious living. Mercedes has made sure the performance matches the luxury. The RV is powered by a dual-motor electric drivetrain with all-wheel drive and over 400 horsepower. Despite its size, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. Thanks to the latest solid-state battery technology, it delivers an impressive 500-mile range on a full charge. It's also equipped with intelligent terrain adaptation, which automatically adjusts the suspension and power based on the road conditions. Whether you're driving smoothly on highways or tackling rough terrain, this RV handles it all with quiet confidence. Luxury like this comes with a premium price tag. The base model is expected to start at $210,000, while higher trims with advanced features and full self-driving capabilities could reach up to $275,000. It's not cheap, but for those who want the ultimate blend of technology, luxury, and freedom on the road, it's worth every dollar. But that's not all. If you thought the Mercedes RV was impressive, let's take things up another level with the 2026 Ultra Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a 5-star hotel on wheels. The design is breathtaking. With a sleek aerodynamic shape, glossy metallic finish, and aggressive LED lighting, it looks like it belongs at a luxury event rather than a campsite. Built on a custom extended chassis with alloy wheels and adaptive suspension, it not only commands attention, but also delivers an incredibly smooth ride, even on rough roads. It's loaded with advanced features like integrated solar panels, retractable steps, and automatic side awnings. This isn't just about style, it's also about smart, self-sufficient living. Step inside and you're welcomed into pure opulence. The cabin is draped in Italian leather, real wood finishes, and adaptive ambient lighting. The living room has a massive OLED wall display, a surround sound system that rivals theaters, and a smart glass roof that can tint or go transparent with a single touch. The motorized seating offers massage, heating, and full recline functions. The kitchen is designed for chefs, with quartz countertops, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktops, and even a wine chiller. The bedroom comes with a king-size memory foam bed, hidden storage, privacy curtains, and smart controls for temperature and lighting. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a luxury vanity setup. Every detail has been carefully thought out, from hidden workstations to an outdoor entertainment setup complete with a grill and LED screens. This RV is powered by a hybrid electric V8 engine, producing over 700 horsepower. With a range of nearly 1,000 kilometers on a single charge and fuel combo, it's built for long journeys without compromise. It includes advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering. The intelligent suspension adapts instantly to the road, making even rough highways feel smooth. As expected, this level of luxury doesn't come cheap. The base version is priced around $750,000, while fully customized models with premium interiors, satellite internet, and concierge services can exceed $1.2 million. And now we arrive at the ultimate, something that truly breaks every boundary of imagination: the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Yes, Lamborghini has stepped into the RV world, and the result is jaw-dropping. Imagine pulling into a campsite with a low-slung, carbon fiber machine glowing with Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LEDs. Add scissor doors, 24-inch forged alloy wheels, and an aerodynamic body inspired by their iconic supercars, and you've got a motorhome like no other. With lightweight carbon fiber materials, adaptive suspension, retractable solar panels, and 360-degree navigation lights, this motorhome is designed for both power and endurance. Inside, Lamborghini blends supercar DNA with a luxury lounge experience. The cabin features buttery soft Alcantara, Italian leather, touch-sensitive OLED panels, and mood-based LED lighting. A voice-controlled AI assistant manages everything, from temperature to entertainment. There's a fold-out lounge area, a 70-inch curved cinematic display, and even a holographic workstation. The kitchen is futuristic, with auto-clean counters, smart appliances, and a personalized minibar. True to Lamborghini's legacy, the performance is out of this world. It's powered by a hybrid V8 with dual electric motors, producing over 1,000 horsepower. Despite its massive size, it goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 5 seconds. It has a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour, multiple driving modes, and an EV mode for quiet city cruising. With an electric range of over 800 kilometers and wireless charging pads, it's designed for limitless journeys. This level of innovation and luxury comes at a staggering price. The Lamborghini Motorhome is expected to start at $2.9 million, making it one of the most exclusive RVs ever built. So whether it's the futuristic Mercedes RV, the Ultra Luxury Motorhome, or the boundary-breaking Lamborghini Motorhome, the future of travel is here, and it's more exciting than ever. This is Lux Life, your ultimate source for luxury, innovation, and futuristic vehicle reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell